Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do the until loop here. So I'm just going to give you an example of it, and I'm going to create a subroutine first called sub until loop. Okay, so we know what that's all about. So I'm going to create a scalar variable starting with my scalar first name. I'm going to assign it a first name called Peter. Okay, so now I'm going to create some input for the user. My scalar name. I'm going to assign that to prompt, and then we're going to print out something for the user, telling the user what to do. Enter name. So the user will then see that and enter their name. Now we come down onto the until part, so it's going to be until scalar first name, which we can see up here as Peter, is equal to scalar name that we entered. We're going to do something. We're going to tell the user by using say here, you aren't Peter, go away. Okay. And then we're just going to come outside of this. And if you are Peter, we're going to print that out. Say, hello, how are you? And then the scalar first name. I'm just going to pop into here, not fist. First name. Okay. So we're just going to save that, and then we're going to call the subroutine until loop. Okay, we're just going to save that, and we're going to run the program from the terminal. The name of the program is test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, it seems to have got a little bit of a problem here. Let's have a look at this. Okay, what does it say? There's the problem. Typo. Until. Okay, let's save that again. Just clear it. Again, Raku test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, enter name. I'm going to enter Sid. So, you aren't Peter, go away, go away, go away. Okay, we could exit out of that, but I'm not going to for this. So let's just type in clear. Okay, what I did, I forgot to exit out of the loop. Okay, Sid, you aren't Peter, go away. Okay, let's try it again. This time let's enter in Peter. Okay, Peter, enter. There you go. We've got a problem there because what I did was I entered Peter with a capital. Now you'll notice here that Peter is in lowercase, so this is very case sensitive. So let's run that again. To hit Peter in lowercase. There you go. Hello, how are you, Peter? So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.